What's up, fams? I mean, not fams. What up, fam? Today, I have a viewer requested video. So yeah, one of my subscribers wanted me to go over my spreadsheet on how I like track my trades. Thought it'd be a little bit helpful for you guys. I basically use like a simplified version of this free one that you can download a copy of. I'll post this link on the description page, but basically, yeah, I like to track it by dates, the date I bought it at, the pair that I'm trading, the action with buy or sell, price I paid for, the amount of shares that I bought, along with the total US dollar amount. For P&L, this would just basically, you'd fill in these values when you actually sell the asset. So, I mean, you can see here, I mean, it sold ADA for a small loss here. And yeah, I like to separate it by pairs. I probably have to clean this up later, like by the end of the year when I do like all my taxes. Probably going to just sort this by date, and then, or actually I could probably just plug in, yeah, export it from Kraken. Because if you export it from Kraken itself, you can actually, they actually give you like, yeah, it breaks them down by fee too, and the amount, which is nice. But tracking it like this way, it helps you visualize your P&L on on a lifetime, so that's really helpful. Let me close these tabs real quick. And yeah, you just kind of get to get a better sense of like how you're actually doing on your trades. I like to record like your hit rate, how many winners, losers you have along your total trades. Your hit rate's just gonna be your winners over your total trade amount. And then starting capital was 10K, which I put into this project. I think I put in deposited about like a couple of Ethereum that I bought. Yeah, this is the one I bought in like October and December, which I used for the challenge. Sold majority of these. I think I put 10 of these in staking on this account, which is still in there right now, which is earning me passive income, getting paid out in more Ethereum, which is nice. And oh yeah, I actually also heard Kraken is allowing Solana as well for staking. So I might move that over from my Binance to this to start staking more rewards. And yeah, a couple neat tricks. Oh yeah, if you guys want, this is a pretty neat formula. If you're curious on like what the average price you paid for was, because it's hard to tell when you just have it like, oh, you bought this amount at 35, this amount at 42, this amount at 46. You can actually just get the average by taking the sum of all the products of your price in shares. So you can see here this is this times this, plus this times this, plus this times this. And you divide it by the sum of the share amount that you paid, which is the sum of all of these numbers. And yeah, that should give you the average price that you paid for, which then you can use to calculate how much profit you made. Like right here, this would be selling 6,000 shares minus 2,000 times the average price, which is 521. Can't be editing that. But yeah, that's really how I do it. Again, I'll post a link to this thing below so you guys can get a better sense. But yeah, I'll do a market update video soon. Right now, it looks like we're still in a bearish shorter term trend, but I still believe the super cycle is still intact. But yeah, stay tuned for any future updates and have a good day.